Hello everyone. Thanks for joining us here at Earning with Bits. Today let's take a look at CryptoEarns, a brand new faucet with no annoying pop-ups or ads. Get started by signing up with your Faucet Pay or C-Wallet email. When you log in, your dashboard is going to be on your left. Your dashboard has your daily bonus, offer wall Shortlinks and Faucet. Select Timer Faucet. Now solve the CAPTCHA in the middle of the screen. Fantastic. Now select Unlimited Timer and claim there as well. You can make a few claims before they ask you to do short links. Superb. When you're done, go back to your dashboard and select View Ads. Choose Window Ads. Select one of the websites and visit the site until the timer runs down. Solve the CAPTCHA and collect your reward. Fantastic. When you're done watching all the ads, you can withdraw to your Faucet Pay wallet. Select Withdraw on your dashboard and choose your coin. I'm going to withdraw PEPE. Now scroll down and choose the big blue Withdrawal tab. Superb. Make sure to go back to your Faucet Pay wallet and check to see if your coins arrived. As you can see, your coins have instantly arrived in your wallet. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe.